Virgin and sister, wake up on the fire. Real warriors. You know, no one really, yeah, my brother. No matter what you say, I go on, brethren. You don't have no control for nothing where you hear. And nothing outside of yourself. So now living on a panic and a worry. What go on and you see what the media go on with. And I bring down fear upon the people with all these things. As soon as the America president, I would want to call him, say something. Everybody I run with it. Of course, it was written. The power to be one to see drought in creation. And them are going to do anything then in them power for me. It happen. So we as people now, for know say word, sound and power. Anything them are going with, we for bonfire. Because creation is always here, you know, my virgin. Nature always here, you know. And nature provide for our children day and night. Nature would have never forsake our own children. Them things don't work. Mother Nature always provide for our sons and daughters. So when you hear the power to be, I say a thing, just know say them I go on with that. Anything you hear them tell us I go happen. And them I go make it happen. You see? So the eye them brethren, just stay strong, you know. And know say anything you say I go on, give thanks. Because it ridiculous. We say I people are worried about this and that because not knowing themselves cause all of this. What's there to prepare for? More than knowing yourself. And just let go and make creation lead. Because I tell you, no matter where you see the enemy are going with and I said this and that, it not gonna happen. None of what them are going with not gonna happen. So all I want to boast is slave where I talk about prepare for this and that. Know yourself, man. See it? Know yourself. That's all I have to tell my people. Know yourself, tell yourself when I can't live without anything. See it, sir? When you're born with nothing, that means you can't live without nothing. So you have to know them something. So this one is for one day journey. And just doing what I'm do to live. And I give thanks. You don't have no control of the power to be one food shortage. So you could have buy food and now until the morning. Just know you have to share with your people. I'm telling you this. Word, sound, and power. And when I'm going about food shortage, I joke business. Because everything is in abundance. So if you know then something about say everything are in abundance. So if a system power to be, I say something, we as people, enough to go with it. And I will prepare for this and that. Fear monger. We as people for bonfire. And talk and chant with a chant. And that we are waiting for. We are waiting for creation. Free up. So I people and myself can travel in this blood clot without no bother or nothing. And them things that we are waiting for. And it must happen. So I can tell my people, stay strong. And you know, no one really. Yes, sir. I don't feel no way. What creation brought up to in this time. And if you're with yourself, you better give thanks and know yourself more. Ash.